Okay, so I'm going to try this voiceover thing one more time because I think it worked well previously. So I'm just in GitHub right now and I've created a new repository. I've called it test repo and given it a test description. You can choose to make it public or private, that's your choice. But I've created it now. As you can see, we have the new repository there. So if we go into Eclipse, I'm going to create a new project just for something to push into that repository. So you can see I'm creating a Maven project and I'm just going to fill in all of the required fields, giving it the group ID as well as the artifact ID name of test repo. I'm very consistent with my names. So I'm just going to finish that off, and what we want to do now is to right click the project, go down to teams and share project, and I'm just going to save the repository in a folder with, well, all of my other repositories, as you can see here. I'm just going to create a new folder. Guess what the name is? Yep. So save that there. I'm just going to click open, which will change the directory or location of my repo, and we can finish that off. And what you want to look for is the no head branch there. When we see that, we know that nothing has been merged in yet. So we want to right click the project again, go to team, and I had a bit of a brain fart here, but eventually I'm going to click commit, and then you can see all the files that need to be merged into that repo essentially. And here is also my second brain fart. I think I forgot what I was doing here, but I'll make a comeback. I'll make a comeback, don't worry about that. Any second now. So I've staged all of those changes that I need to commit into my master branch. So I'm just going to click commit and push. And what we want to do here is change that URI. And we'll get the link from GitHub here. So we can just copy and paste there. And you would need to also fill in your credentials of your GitHub account. I've stored mine in the secure store, so that's why it's already there. And then we can just click next and finish this off. And as you can see, within the squared brackets, I have the repo there now. And if we come back to GitHub and refresh, we can see the Maven project is now there.